It's 1999, my nigga.
The start of the new build, or a new voltage installation. Well, let's get started. That's how everything looks. Of course, it looks wild when it's out, but once we start cleaning everything up, we should be good. But yeah, I mean, here we go. Time to put these little bad boys in. 2 JY lithiums, 45 amp hour ones. So there's gonna be one for each amp on the little Honda. You know, get some weight reduction in there because they didn't like the 4 AGMs back there. So let's switch it up. Let's see what happens. All right, YouTube, is your boy Loud Junkie 420. All right, here we go. Let's show you the finished product. Bam. A little messy, but you know, everything's in. I got the 2 Sundown 6Ks, the scv6000s. And they're gain matched, so they're not strapped. And I got the little 50.4 for the highs and mids, the 2 lithium 45s hooked up now, and the equalizer, and you know, the distribution blocks, the RCAs. That's how everything turned out to look at, you know. Not too bad, but not the cleanest. Alright.
We was right out there, this whole lot, chilling in the back of the track. Niggas got